called a simple VPN application, and I'm pretty much show you how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Things here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here where it's the auto select, this is pretty much where it goes to view your servers. As you can see there, these are all the servers that need an application. Also, these are the free servers. Down here, you may see the VIP servers, which pretty much mean you need a subscription to use these servers. Here, over here as well, you have the streaming servers for Netflix, TikTok, and all those streaming websites, as you can see here. Over here, you have the gaming servers as well. So it depends on whichever server you want to use. I do recommend using the server with the highest status bar, or you can just tap on auto server. Will pretty much select the best server for you to use. So over here, nothing much, just the change region and the split time option, which you can select disable whichever application you do not want to get a VPN connection. Don't hear me see their Telegram page or channel. You can pretty much check it out to keep up to date with this VPN application. So at the top here, you may see no ads. If you want to remove ads off the application, you pretty much have to get their subscription as well. You can get free servers, more servers, and faster servers. So down here, as you can see, you do get a 3 days free trial, which you can try with this application. And also you have a redeem code, which you can also get the subscription via redeem code. So you can see monthly subscription price and the weekly subscription price. So that's really pretty much it for that. And to connect the VPN, all you have to do is just tap on the connection button here, and it will ask for connection request and tap on OK. It will start connecting in no time. So if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.